Hey there. I hope you are doing great. Let's dive right into how you can secure your cloud data using Microsoft Azure, and trust me, it's not as complex as it sounds. First off, Azure has these amazing built-in tools that are like the Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity. It's got you covered from day one, with something called Azure Active Directory for managing identities, which ensures you have the right folks with the right access, and nothing more. So, imagine your organization's data as if they're a bunch of little digital kids, and your job is to make sure only mommy and daddy can touch them. Okay, it's a bit of a metaphor, but you get the point. This is where Azure roles and AMP access comes in handy. It's all about assigning roles to your users and setting strict rules on who gets to play with the kids' data. Moving on, let's set up some virtual fences, let's call them firewalls, using Azure Firewall. These are not wooden sticks but network security rules that dictate who can come in, who can go out, and what they can do once they're inside. It's all managed from here. No need to micromanage physical firewalls at your location. Next is encryption, the ultimate bouncer for your data. Azure Transparent Data Encryption is key because it secures the data in your storage at rest, while Azure Disk Encryption helps keep your virtual hard drives under lock and key. And then there's always the option of encrypting data in transit using Azure Key Delivery Service and its secure encryption keys. You'll also want to set up Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center. Monitor is like your home security camera for insights, alerts, and keeping tabs on suspicious activities, while Security Center does all the risk detection stuff, setting up policies, and scanning for vulnerabilities. This is your internal security guard looking out for trouble. To make sure that everything is shipshape, Azure offers built-in compliance tools as well. They're the rule enforcers you never knew you need.